In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a group team calendar in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a shared calendar that your whole team can use to schedule meetings, track deadlines, and stay organized in one place. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your team calendar. If you use multiple accounts, double check in the top right corner that the correct one is selected so you don't accidentally create the calendar under a personal or secondary account. Once Google Calendar is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. This area is where additional calendars like shared or subscribed calendars will appear. In that Other Calendars section, move your mouse over it and look for a small plus icon. It's usually to the right of the text. Click that plus icon. This opens a menu with different options for bringing in new calendars. From the menu that appears, select Create New Calendar. This is the option that lets you set up a brand new calendar that you can customize and share with your team rather than subscribing to an existing one. You'll now see a page where you can add details for your new calendar. Start by giving your calendar a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it Marketing Team Calendar, Project Launch Schedule, or simply Team Calendar. Use something that everyone on your team will immediately recognize. Below the name, you can add a description. This is optional, but it can be really helpful. You might briefly explain how the calendar should be used, such as shared calendar for team meetings, deadlines, and project milestones. This gives context to anyone you invite, especially new team members. Next, set the time zone. Make sure the time zone matches the main location of your team or your own working time zone if you're the main organizer. This is important because it ensures that events show at the correct times for everyone. If your team is distributed globally, they'll see the events automatically converted to their local time. When you're happy with the name, description, and time zone, click the Create Calendar button. Google will take a moment to set it up, and then your new calendar will be created and added to your list. Now, to share it with your team, look back at the left side of the screen under your list of calendars, find the newly created calendar in the list, hover over it, and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to its name. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu of options. From that menu, click Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the settings page specifically for this calendar, where you can control who has access and what they can do. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Share with Specific People or Groups. In that section, click on Add People and Groups. A box will appear where you can type in the people you want to share the calendar with. In the field provided, start adding your teammates by entering their email addresses or, if you're in a managed workspace, their names. As you type, you can select the correct person from the suggestions. After adding everyone you want, you can adjust their permissions later if needed, such as whether they can only see events or also make changes. Once you've added your team members, your group team calendar is ready to go and everyone you included will be able to start using it.